And in this segment, we'll talk about Reiki for pets. Reiki is such a gentle, easy way to help your loved pet, whatever may be going on with them. And all one has to do is allow the pet to come into their proximity. And so we can hold them in our hand and just effortlessly allow the energy to flow into their little being. With pets, a Reiki session is usually quite less than when an individual, a human being, is receiving Reiki. So when your pet starts to get a little ornery, it's probably Reiki-fied. It's done. It can go on its way. But animals that have different illnesses or problems that are going on with them might need a little bit more attention. And it's very interesting to see your cat or your dog or your hamster just kind of crawl up to you when it does have the need for a bit more healing energy. In our next segment, we'll talk about Reiki for plants.